Next product is another Too Faced. This is the Too Faced new Peach Bloom Color Blossoming Lip Balms and Cheek Tints. Custom color based on your unique pH. The lip and cheek tint. Give your cheeks a fresh glow with the color adapting lighter than air gel blush that blossoms based on your unique body chemistry to create a custom flush of color. Ooh. And then we have the Peach Bloom Color Blossoming Lip Balm. Pamper your lips with a ultra nourishing color adapting buttery. See what you did there. Buttery lip balm that blossoms based on your unique body chemistry to create a custom kissable flush of color as unique as you. Yeah. Oh my god, the packaging on these is adorable. Look at that. I'm a suck. Obviously, can you guys see how my nails, like, they go together? Ooh, 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 ooh. Open this one. This one's the Strawberry Glow. Whoever is behind the Too Faced packaging, I swear to God, I hope you are getting paid good, because I am a sucker for how this looks. Oh, that smells so good. I wish I could describe how good. Can I put this one on my lip? Yeah, lip and cheek. Okay. Like, it made me want to put it on my lips because of how good it smelled. That's even pretty with what I got on right now. Oh, it smells so good. This was so nice. Thank you so much to Too Faced. I can't wait to try them all out. Thank you. I don't know why I went like that. I'm just like, oh, these are so nice. Next package is from Flower Beauty. I was gonna say Color Beauty. Flower Beauty. It says, hi there. I'm excited to share that Flower Beauty is now available at CVS stores. We designed these products to bring a little joy to your day and help you look and feel your best. I'm completely obsessed with the collection. I hope you love it just as much as I do. I can't wait to hear what you think. Drew. She is a favorite. Writing in cars with boys, my favorite. I've always just been like, oh, obsessed over here. Especially her Netflix show. It's my favorite. I just love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. And Charlie's Angels. I'm obsessed with her, okay? I really am. So in here is this really nice CVS bag. I should definitely keep this out and take it with me. So I'm excited for this. In here we have the goods. This is the Skinny Micro Pencil Crayon, and it comes with a micro pencil tip, and then it has the like brush side so you can go in there and brush it out. They sent me the shades Taupe and Medium Brown. I'm excited for that. So we have the Flower and CBD infused with hemp. Chill out. Infused with hemp. I wonder if it's going to be like it's a chill out lip glaze. Okay. A Bitten lip stain. Ooh, and a really pretty mauve shade. I got another one. This one is even prettier. Oh my god. That is beautiful. I got a color for your eyes and lips. A really nice shade. You know, I'm definitely going to put that one to use. I got the Color Shift Lip Smoothie. Okay. Oh. Oh, that smells good. I'm a sucker for smells. I'm such like... I want to put my nose in it type. We also got this, which I'm more excited about because I haven't seen anything like this. This is the Supernova Priming Whip Base. That just sounds freaking awesome. So it's like whipped cream and it is a primer. I can't wait to try this out. They also sent over an eyeshadow palette. I love her eyeshadow palettes. They are freaking awesome. I have not tried this one. So I am excited to see how it's going to perform. It looks beautiful. So I cannot wait to see how it goes on the lids. And then we have the Flower Gel Crush Lip and Cheek. I'm pretty much just probably gonna put these on my cheeks. It looks like if it's like an armpit stick. So I can't wait to see how it goes on my cheeks. So I can't wait to try all of this out. Thank you so much to Flower Beauty. Next product is from It Cosmetics. This is their new pillow lips. Up to 4-hour hydration, instant shine, flush of color, no feathering, visibly revitalized lips. And you can definitely see a change on the lips. It says formulated with collagen, tri-oil complex. Is it tri or tree? And hyaluronic acid, and they sent me all of the lip colors. I cannot wait to play with them. Do they have like a brown in there, huh? I would be a sucker for a nude. Humble looks like it is going to be a really pretty, ooh, it's a really pretty peachy one. Like a coral. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is really pretty. So, oh my god, 1111. 1111. That is so freaking cute. Oh, it smells good. It smells like gum. Ooh. Hell yeah. I can't wait to try those ones out. So thank you so much. Oh, it says right here. So these are, it says Shop It Pillow Lips Solid Serum. $24 available to purchase at It Cosmetics and Sephora and Ulta Beauty starting January 2021. So thank you so much to It Cosmetics. This is another package that I did receive from It Cosmetics. It says Your Skin But Better. I love the bags. I travel with the bags. I really do. They are freaking awesome. So it says Your Skin But Better. Skin Smoothing Complexion Brush. The Heavenly Collection is amazing. So freaking soft and buttery. It goes on like a dream. Now let's see what's inside. Okay, so this says Your Skin But Better Foundation. It says improves bare skin in 2 weeks. So they sent me over Tan Neutral 39 and Tan Warm 49. What? I have not even seen these gone around. Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. That looks so pretty. So freaking nice. Look at that packaging. Hell yeah. Water Light Medium Cover Natural Radiant Finish. Improves bare skin in 2 weeks. All right. I'm going to put that to the test. It says better looking skin instantly and over time. Instantly better. Natural, no makeup effect. Coverage that minimizes pores and imperfections. All day hydration and wear. Improves bare skin in 2 weeks. Evens the appearance of skin tone. Visibly refines skin texture. Softens skin based on a 2-week clinical study. It Cosmetics partners with plastic surgeons and dermatologists to develop skin-loving solutions and clinically tested formulas. I'm actually like, wow, okay. I can't wait to try that out. That seems freaking amazing. And then we have the Your Skin But Better setting spray with skin loving. So thank you so much to It Cosmetics. That is awesome. I cannot wait to try. I want my skin to be looking good all the time. Oh yeah. Another package I received is from Pharmacy. So I already opened this. I'm obsessed. So they came out with their new whipped greens oil-free foaming cleanser with moringa and papaya. Green clay absorbs surface oils, removes buildup. This retails for $28. This is it right here. I love Pharmacy products. They are freaking amazing. Eye cream is amazing. Oh, their whole everything is amazing. So I cannot wait to try this on my skin and remove my bangs and see how well it does. They also sent me this really, really nice set to make matcha tea. I am freaking geeked, you guys. And this too, so you can like do the little powder and it looks like really cool on top. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Here's the lid for my... I don't even want to use it because it's just so cute, but I'm not doing that anymore. Just because something looks nice, I'm not just going to put it away. I'm going to use it. They sent me the matcha from David's Tea. I can't wait to try this out. It says 2 to 3 spoonfuls, medium caffeine. I can't wait to try it. I know everyone is obsessed with matcha tea. Me too. It is freaking amazing. Let me show you guys the other thing that came with it. Hold on. This is the other item that came with it. This is the Matcha Frother David's Tea. This is amazing. Okay. If you guys already have seen me play with this on Instagram, I like to use this to froth up. Next products are from Too Faced. So they launched their new eyelashes and I've been obsessed. I've been using this pair especially. Do you see how they're outside of the box? This is a Fox Mink false lashes and I used, which one is this one? Okay, yeah, right in the back. Duh. The one I've been using a lot is Natural Flirt, which is freaking gorgeous. And they have this one, which is Drama Queen. This one, which is Doll Eyes, which I think is going to be a lot of favorites. And then this one, which is Sex Kitten. Super pretty. They are a little bit big. Like they really are big. Like when I first seen them, I was like, what the, like that is huge. But it's cute. It's different, you know? It's not the same as other brands. So I thought that was really cute. It really stands out, you know? And see like the difference, like this size. It's cute. It's their packaging. I love it. I like how it says better than sex right here. So cute. And then they sent me their Better Than Sex mascara, their original formula, their water formula, and then they sent me the Better Than Sex eyeliner, which I am just so freaking like, yes. And they sent me a really, really pretty bag as well. I have not even opened it. I'm opening it now with you guys on camera. And it's this beautiful bag. Oh my god, gorgeous. I'm just, oh, if you guys could see my display of items that Too Faced sends me, I literally just like, I take good care of them because it just means so much to me. And this is it. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. Oh, I'm gonna have to put it back in the plastic, but so freaking adorable. I'm obsessed with the lashes though. The lashes are really, really nice. Yes, thank you so much to Too Faced. Next product we do have is from It Cosmetics. And this is their new Hello. Retinol starts to reach at least 15 layers in 1 hour into skin surface. So this is their anti-aging serum. It says dual retinol, soothing cream, vitamins B5 and E. This one goes for $69. Hello. Results, wrinkle reducing daily retinol serum in a cream. It's available to purchase at It Cosmetics and Ulta Beauty. It's developed with plastic surgeons and dermatologists. As a dermatologist, the #1 ingredient I recommend to patients for anti-aging results is retinol. While it really works, it can also cause redness, dry skin, and flaking. That's why I love this product. It balances the anti-aging power of a retinol serum with the soothing care of a cream in one easy step. What the fuck? So this girl right here, she had forehead wrinkles and now they're not as visible. Your girl makes a lot of face expressions, especially because now I'm doing more story times and I'm like, and I was like, and I'm making like lots of face expressions. So I'm going to be using this. Hell yeah. Thank you so much. What I love is that when companies do this, well, all you have to do is just pump it down and it gives you that pea-size amount that you need. Because when it's a pump, I be pumping a lot. Because I'm like, I got a lot of face, I got to pump again. But in reality, you don't need that much. So I really love that they do that. So I really love that It Cosmetics does that. And Drunk Elephant as well. So thank you so much to It Cosmetics. I got 2 products. Where's the other one? I swear I just had it. From Pacifica. I think it's so funny that like now when I look at myself in the monitor, I can kind of see that I'm winding down, you know? So this is the Pacifica 100% vegan and cruelty free. It has a TikTok thing in there. It says, have you been following Pacifica Beauty? We have been watching all the amazing content you create. We are the original 100% vegan, cruelty free and clean beauty brand that has been revitalizing the beauty industry for 25 years. We create every single product with compassion for the planet, animals, and you. We're excited to announce that we've joined TikTok. Let's be friends. Yo. So they sent me all these goodies in here. First thing I'm pulling out is the Eye Bright Under Eye Vitamin C Spot Serum, Vitamin C and Kelp. I need to use an eye mask because I swear your girl does not sleep like she should. Oh, this is so cute. It's in the shape of a moon. And this is a Cosmic Clay Face Mask. Deeply cleanse, it says, for all skin types. 3 to 4 uses per pouch. Me como pendeja, I was like, all of it, all over my face. Oh, hell yeah. Your skin gets sturdy and then it looks less vibrant and alive. Bring it back by cleansing your pores and getting the muck out. Hell yeah. I'm gonna use this one. And then we have the Pout Polish Gently Lip Scrub, Sugar Crystals, and Lemon. Ooh, that just sounds like... So they sent me the Banana Jelly Body Glow Gel with banana and chia. Hell yeah. Oh my god. This makes me just wanna... I swear to god my mouth got watery. Can you guys see that? Oh, that smells phenomenal. That smells good. And then we have the guacamole whip face and body mask, avocado and lime. I bet you this smells so good. Oh my god, this smells amazing. That smells really good. I thought my address was showing. I was like, oh no. Oh, that smells, guys, I just want to eat it. Like, oh yes. And then in here we have Twinkle Paint liquid eyeshadows. They sent me 2 shades. They sent me the Pacifica Crystal Wand Secret Weapon Rose Quartz Roller. I don't know where the accent wants to come out. Like if I have an accent, you know. I always try to be cool. Like, you're not cool. Stop. So we have the Pacifica Baby Glow Baby Booster. This is so pretty. Packaging, what did I say? Sells everything. This is beautiful. And then we have a glow stick lip oil. Oh yeah, the one that I had on my lip, I ate. Oh my god, how can they smell so good? That smells really good. And I think I'm hungry because my mouth keeps watering. Thank you so much to Pacifica. I am so freaking excited. I cannot wait. And I love that they're vegan and cruelty free. I'm gonna go in with the second package they sent me. So in here we have the Rose Kombucha Flower Powered Face Wash. Removes makeup and cleanses and tones. Then we have the Dreamy Youth Day and Night Face Cream. Hell yeah. Wake Up Beautiful Sleep Hydration Sleepover Mask. Then we have the Rose Water Hydro Mist. Refuse to Obey Time. Rose water and kombucha for all skin types. This is such an amazing package to like gift somebody who's getting into skincare. Hell yeah. This is... oh yeah. Thank you so much to Pacifica. Next package is from LA Colors. Now you guys know that I already picked up one of these. Let me go pick it up. Seen their display at Walmart, and this is the LA Colors Lavish Nail. I seen this one and I was like, oh, before I got my nails done, I was like, I gotta get those ones. And then a couple days later, I got the package in the mail. I was like, oh my god, thank you. So yeah, I open it up. Beautiful, you guys. The Cheetah one calls me. I'm a freaking Cheetah Girl fan. That's me. I knew the whole track. Put it on, and me grown as hell, I will sing my heart out to you. These are freaking beautiful. And then they have the stilettos, which are freaking beautiful. Never did I ever think in a million years that I would wear stilettos, but your girl got a change of heart. These came out beautiful. So when these ones come up, I'm definitely gonna be popping these ones on. They are freaking gorgeous, you guys. Like, they really, really are. They are so beautiful, and I'm so glad that LA Colors came out with their own collection, and I'm so freaking honored to have the whole collection. Thank you so much to LA Colors. So you guys, that's the end of this P O Box unboxing. I will be doing more with my babe. Say bye. Alrighty, loves, so this is the end of this unboxing, my P O Box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. I love you guys so freaking much. If you guys enjoy P O Box unboxing, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe if you guys haven't already to keep updated my videos. Let me know if you guys enjoy these. I will definitely love to do them. I feel like it's been a minute since I have done a P O Box unboxing video, so I'm really excited to sit down and talk to you guys and share, and it just feels so freaking awesome. Like, we're chismeando and we're spending time together, and it's just freaking awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed that nail vlog. I'm really excited. I'm really happy with the stiletto. Like, I really feel cute, and it really does make a huge difference on like how I feel. It makes me just feel like, you gotta be careful because I'm like, sure. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for spending time with me. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Te quiero mucho. Besos a todos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye. I don't know what I'm doing. Stupid ass.